Menu bar. Menu extras. Screen flow help. Record time, 3 seconds.
Hey everyone, this is Michael
Menu extras.
Babcock.
Screenshot to light.
I just wanted to verify that it was recording. I wanted to show you guys quickly how to post a
27%.
or how to create a subdomain if your domain is hosted through GoDaddy. Now, we do teach some other tricks and some other ways to get around the GoDaddy web interface. If you want to learn how to do that and how to get started with that, then visit myownpay.com or empoweringtheblind.com and learn how you can, get those tips and tricks from us. You just need to get qualified, and that's completing steps number 1 and 2. And you can also take note on the video that we're creating today to learn what else you can do. So let's go and open up Safari real quick. And while I'm waiting for Safari to load here, I do want to let everyone know, first of all, you will hear speech in the background.
No windows.
That's the screen reader that I use. I am completely blind, and that's how I interact with the computer. So here's what we're going to do is we're going to pull up the GoDaddy website.
Open location, untitled, unhighlighted, HTML content. Not blank.
Make sure I have what I need.
New tab, top sites.
We're going to open up a new tab.
HTTP. Select all. http://empoweringtheblind.com/go/znz step/.
Yep, that's what we need. Okay.
Domain name vertical.
All right. So
blank.
now we're
Edit
go
text.
Into, this GoDaddy.
Links 65 items. 4 items. Log into my account.
I got
blank.
To that
Edit text.
Doing the link, so.
Secure it.
See if I log in right the first time. Doesn't normally
blank.
happen.
Edit text. 54% loaded. Blank.
All right.
Edit.
So now we're going to go
links,
to the links. I'm going to type in the word
3 items.
account.
Three items. My account.
For those of you who don't have the ability to just type it in one of the keywords in the link, for example, JAWS and such, you want to look for the letter M for my account.
My account. HTML.
Right, and now this is going to be
85% loaded.
Specific
all products.
What we're going to
0.
do is we're going to do VO Command H.
Domains.
Here's the word domain, VO right arrow.
Give feedback. Launch.
Here's the launch. We're going to VO Command F5.
Launch.
And then VO Shift Space.
Maya.idp.
Pops up
DCC. idp.godaddy.com/dcc50. HTML content.
GoDaddy.com. Domain control.
Links 48 items.
All right, now we want to go to my
22 items. My account. Myownpay.com. My own press.
That's the one that I want, so that's one of my domains.
GoDaddy.com.
By going to the links list, and now we're going to do I have my table set to where I have to interact with my table, so let's do a VO Command T.
Table. Interact.
With that table.
Blank. Block. Blank. Name servers. Forwarding.
And we want forwarding. Now, and all I did is I started VO down arrowing. Now we're going to VO down.
You are currently on a cell inside blank space.
And VO right arrow once.
Manage. Link. Manage. Link. Press. Manage.
Now we stop interacting twice.
Stop interacting with table.
And we go to the bottom of the
Cancel.
page.
Link. Save. IFRN dual.
To the frame.
Interact with. Domain name forwarding. List 2 items. Subdomain. Link. Press. Subdomain.
And then I'm going to stop
interacting. Save. Save. IFRN. Interact with IFRN dual. Add subdomain forwarding. Link.
To add subdomain
Press.
forwarding.
Add sub. Stop interacting with IFRN dual. Cancel. Link. Add. IFRN veil. Interact with IFRN veil. Create new subdomain forward.
That's what I want.
Subdomain name. Star.
So I want the
back
subdomain
button.
name
Forward
to
300
be
blank. HTTP blank. Edit text. HTTP blank. Edit text.
Video.
HTTP video. HTTP
And then
/
tab,
pop-up
that's
button.
HTTP. To get access to HTTPS, you need to upgrade the DNS. I'm fine with HTTP.
You are currently on a pop-up button. Blank. Edit
Here's
text.
the URL that you want to forward it to.
/
And
HTTP
I had
T
HTTP
/
slash there, so I need to delete that
T H
because that pop-up already has
HTTP / empoweringtheblind.com/go/
goes to empoweringtheblind.com/go/znz-steps. So now tab.
301 permanent.
I want
Selected
it to be
radio button. 1 of 2 list 2
permanent,
items.
so the search engines know that it will always be this way. Let's press tab.
Forward only. Pop-up button.
Forward only. I will explain the differences. We have forward
Menu check
only.
Forward with masking.
Forward with masking. I'm going to
Forward
do
with
with masking.
Title.
And that pops open a couple more options that you don't
Description.
have when you do forward only, but we'll see. Get started with my own pay. Learn what we do at my own.
You are currently on a text area inside of a frame.
Money every day.
Keywords.
All right. Oh, keywords: make money, work from home.
You are currently on a text area inside of a frame.
Okay. I like to throw in empowering the blind.
Create new subdomain
All
forward.
right, and then we'll stop interacting.
Stop interacting with
that frame.
IFRN Veil.
We'll
Add
go over
link.
here to add, and we'll hit that link.
Press add link.
Now we'll VO left arrow.
Cancel
You're
link.
going to cancel, and you want the save, so do VO left arrow again.
Save link.
Hit save.
Press save link.
There we go.
Your request has been
And
submitted.
it says your
Changes may
request
take a
has
few
been
moments to take
submitted.
effect.
Changes may take a few moments to take effect. Now, let me explain a couple of things while
You
we're
are currently on a
waiting
link
for
inside of
that
HTML content. To click
take
this link,
effect.
press
First of
Control
all,
Option Space.
It does say that it will take up to 24 to 48 hours for that to take effect, which sometimes it can, sometimes it doesn't. GoDaddy, typically I see it done within about 15 minutes or so. Now, what's the difference between forwarding and masking? Facebook doesn't like Empower Network. For some reason, I don't know what, Dave and Dave need to just figure something out and, buy Mark out or something. But Facebook does not like Empower Network. So, if you have an Empower Network blog and you decide to set up a subdomain, for example, blog.myownpay.com, and you set it to forward and you go post that on Facebook, Facebook's going to automatically block any domain at myownpay.com. I found this out with Empowering the Blind because I forwarded empoweringtheblind.com to my Empower Network blog. And, well, Empowering the Blind, you can't post that on Facebook. That's why I use Social Media Bar. Now, if you mask it, however, what it does is it puts it in a frame. Hopefully I can show you guys this. If I can't, then you'll want to go to video.myownpay.com and take a look at what it does. But let's see if it does.
Open location. dcc.godaddy.com/dcc50/domain details.aspx question identifier. HTML content. 10%. HTML content. Set. Logo. Link. Optimum voice.
Yeah, it hasn't had enough time yet. But if you go to video.myownpay.com, what it's going to do is it's going to still say, because when you do forwarding, it's going to change it from video.myownpay.com to the empoweringtheblind.com/go/znz-steps. But if you do it with masking, it's gonna change that to that in the address bar. If you do if you do masking, then it's not gonna change that in the address bar. And if you hadn't already did forwarding to a blocked domain on Facebook, then you'll still be able to post it on Facebook. For example, I don't have it set up this way, but I've been thinking about it. Say that I wanted to be able to post by empoweringtheblind.com domain on Facebook, but it's blocked. What I could do is I could go set up like blog.myownpay.com, set it with masking, and then whenever I posted a new blog posting, I could say, hey, go check out blog.myownpay.com, and it would post that on Facebook. I wouldn't get the search engine optimization for it because it's a totally different domain, but it would post that on Facebook and my Facebook friends could check it out. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and reset Safari real quick.
Menu bar. App. Safari. Private. Reset Safari. Ellipsis. Reset Safari. Reset Safari. Are you sure you want?
So we'll just go down.
Reset button. Press reset button. Safari busy. Website suggestions. Optimum voice. Link. Safari.
Okay, so now let's
open location. Search.bresnan.net selection replaced. V.
myownpay.com.
HTML content. HTML content.
Okay, so it's still not working.
Logo.
But I'll show you an example of how a subdomain
open location.
works. If you go to
selection replaced.
steps.myownpay.com. Okay, so listen to this.
Steps.myownpay.com.
That's the website we're going to go to, so we'll press enter.
Selection replaced. HTML 79% loaded. 2 items. Index.php.
This takes us to the steps for MyOwnPay. So now if you do Command-L to look at the URL.
Open location, keymarketingnetwork.com/landing page 1.php question user equals with Mike, content selected,
so
address.
it redirects you. And I don't have a frame demonstration set up just because I haven't set one up yet. But that's pretty much how you do it. So if you found this tip to be helpful,
menu bar, Apple.
Go ahead and show your support
menu
by
extras.
visiting myownpay.com.
ScreenFlow helper menu.
Take a look
record
at what
time.
we're doing and
stop
how
record
you can make money at home. This program does work. Also, what you can also do is go to empoweringtheblind.com. When I post this video there, it's going, I'll put a link in the show description, but what it's going to do is it's going to have a coupon code to get you a domain for $1.18 a year. Check it out.